Alrighty traders, George here. Time for a look at the week in review and highlight a trade of the week. What we'll do here is we'll look at a little bit of day trade performance from earlier in the week in the live room. And for you position traders, we'll also take a look at the balance beam call from the video earlier in the week and how that trade worked out and what the numbers look like there. So for day trading, we only did about 6 hours this week in the 3 mornings in the live room. Got $717 after commission at about a 52% win rate. So not as much gain as we've seen in the past. Win percentage is coming up a bit. We're also facing the same issue with some of the big moves happening much earlier in the morning and then a bit of contraction right out of the gate. But nevertheless, it's another case of trading what you see and being there for what the model brings our way. And here the DSR still keeping us nicely profitable, over $100 an hour there for a very short period of time in the market. And then for position trading on the balance beam, let's quickly review the call from 4 days ago. Going into the week with a long entry just being triggered here at 1137.10s, price up a little bit over that level right now. And if it breaks down, it's got to break down below this balance beam to get short here, getting below 32.50 to get in at 32.40s there with the downside targets as you see them here. And just as in the last video, $300 risk per contract. And if price happens to... Alright, so there you see the call from just a couple days ago on the balance beam model. Here's the exact same chart, and here's that location where we actually were triggered long. It rolled over, stopped out, reversed it to short, and just a runaway move here, easily hitting the third target, but another $20+ lower on this last move down here. So really running away from this level in a big way, putting up just over $20 here. And the way that looks on our good old balance beam spreadsheet is this. It's the initial stop out, $300 from the long, reversing to short, and there's $2,380 there on that gain. So picking up just about $2,000 there on the balance beam. So that in combo with the DSR, a real nice way to handle the markets, day trading and position trading. So this was the only balance beam trade that I highlighted earlier in the week, and it turned out to be quite a nice one here, adding to the already significant gains that I've showed you through this model. So that's your week in review and your trade of the week. Gold, both long and short, trading what we see, able to be part of that big move to the downside there. If you're around in the mornings, use the link at the bottom of the video. Hop in the live room. You can watch me do some day trading as well as some more big picture analysis like what you've seen me do here on the balance beam model. And until then, I'll see you back in the live room.